Welcome for math lesson. I'm starting a topic called, it is what I'm going to introduce in this topic. Probability. We basically mean the likelihood of an event to happen. So if there are chances of a certain event taking place and a numerical value to that measure of chances, then that is what we call probability. So probability is the numerical measure of a chance. A chance is a likelihood of an event to happen. So we talk of 5 possible chances out of 15 chances. Then we say the probability of this event happening is 5 out of an event to happen is what we call the probability of that event. So probability, just to define it, is the numerical measure of a chance or of chance, the likelihood of an event to happen is what we call probability. This introduces us to what we call experimental probability. Experimental probability. So experimental probability is the type of probability which can be obtained from experiments or past experiences. Let's take an example of a team which gets involved in some matches. Then we conclude after a while that that team has won 7 matches out of 10 matches. From this experience, we can mathematically measure the likelihood of if the school team gets involved in another match, will it win or lose? So because it has won 7 matches out of 10, then we can say out of every 10 matches, it wins 7. And therefore, the probability of this team winning is 7 out of 10 events. If we are to find the probability of losing, then the team has lost 3 matches out of 10. So the likelihood of the school team losing will be 3 out of 10. So you can see it is more likely for a team to win than to lose. Because out of 10 matches, 7 it has won and 3 it has lost. So basically, if probability can be obtained from past experiences or an experiment which has been performed, then such a probability we will call it experimental probability. Let me give an example on experimental probability. If you take, for example, a boy had a fair die. So let me write the example here. But the example says a boy had a fair die with faces marked or marked 1 to 6. Then he threw it up 50 times. He threw it up 50 times, and the results are as shown. So we have a table showing us the number of times a face showed up. So we have the number of times. So the face marked 1 in that die showed up 11 times. The one marked They are only labeled from 1 to 6. The one labeled 2 showed up 6 times. The one labeled 7 times. 4 9 times. 5 9 times, and this one 8 times. So after tossing a fair die 50 times, the face labeled 1 showed up 11 times, labeled 2 6 times, labeled 3 7 times, labeled 4 9, labeled 5 9, labeled 6 8. Then we are told to find the probability, find the experimental probability of getting getting 3. What are the chances of obtaining a 3? So, solution. The probability that 3 will be obtained. Out of 50 outcomes, we have 3 occurring only times. Out of 50 possible outcomes. So all these outcomes are 50. It has been tossed 50 times. And the face labeled 3 has showed up 7 times. So the probability that a 3 will show up again out of this experimentation, it is 5 out of 50 possible chances. So that is what we call experimental probability.